Story 3. A story of wonder and unity. Once upon a time, in a small town, a colorful circus arrived, bringing excitement and wonder to the community. The circus was filled with performers from all around the world, each with their unique talents and skills. The main attraction of the circus was a talented acrobat named Alex. With graceful movements and incredible agility, Alex captivated the audience with breathtaking flips and daring stunts. The spectators were in awe as they watched Alex perform high above the ground, defying gravity with each leap and twist. Alongside Alex, there were talented jugglers, skilled tightrope walkers, and hilarious clowns who brought laughter to everyone's faces. The circus also featured a menagerie of exotic animals, from majestic lions to playful monkeys, adding an extra element of excitement. The circus tent was a spectacle in itself, adorned with vibrant colors and sparkling lights. As the sun set, the tent illuminated, creating a magical atmosphere that transported the audience to a world of enchantment and delight. Families eagerly gathered to witness the circus performances. Children's eyes sparkled with anticipation as they waited for the show to begin. Parents, too, couldn't help but share in the childlike wonder, relishing the opportunity to escape the ordinary and enter a realm of imagination. The circus brought people together, fostering a sense of unity and joy within the community. Strangers became friends as they cheered for the performers and marveled at their incredible talents. The circus became a place where worries and troubles faded away, replaced by the pure joy of the moment. Behind the scenes, the performers worked tirelessly to perfect their acts. They practiced for hours on end, pushing themselves to new heights of excellence. They supported and encouraged one another, forming a tight-knit family within the circus community. However, the circus wasn't without its challenges. The performers faced risks and obstacles as they strived for perfection. There were times when they stumbled, but they learned to pick themselves up and try again, never giving up on their dreams. As the final act approached, the audience held their breath in anticipation. Alex, the acrobat, prepared for the grand finale, ready to astound everyone with an awe-inspiring performance. With each leap and twist, Alex seemed to defy all limits, embodying the essence of courage, determination, and grace. As the show came to an end, the applause filled the air, echoing the admiration and appreciation of the audience. The performers took their final bows, their hearts filled with gratitude for the opportunity to share their talents and bring joy to the community. The circus packed up its tents, bidding farewell to the town that had embraced them with open arms. The memories of the enchanting performances and the sense of wonder lingered in the hearts of those who had experienced the magic. And so, the story of the circus remained etched in the town's history, reminding everyone of the power of imagination, the beauty of unity, and the joy that can be found in the simplest of moments. The circus had left an indelible mark, forever cherished as a vibrant and cherished chapter in the town's tale. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your English, subscribe to our channel, Listen English Story with GKS.